Hey DIYers! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of creative and unusual DIY projects. Today we're focusing on timber, a versatile and timeless material that can transform your home decor in countless ways. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner looking to try something new, these projects are sure to inspire you. So grab your tools, put on your safety goggles, and let's get started. Want to make your home Pinterest-worthy with timber? Let's get started. Timber is not only durable and sustainable, but also adds a warm, rustic charm to any space. From small decorative items to functional furniture pieces, the possibilities are endless. Today, we'll explore 10 unique timber projects that you can easily create at home. These projects are not only fun to make, but also add a personal touch to your living space. So without further ado, let's dive into our first project. First up, a timber planter box with a twist. Planter boxes are a fantastic way to bring a bit of nature indoors or to spruce up your garden. But why settle for a plain old planter when you can create something truly unique? This project involves building a basic timber planter box and then adding a creative twist with paint and vibrant flowers. Paint each panel a different color and plant vibrant flowers for that extra pop of life. You can choose colors that match your home decor or go wild with a rainbow palette. The key is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Not only will this project brighten up your space, but it will also give you a sense of accomplishment every time you see your beautiful creation. Plus, it's a great way to get the kids involved in a fun and educational activity. Next, let's install a floating timber bookshelf. Bookshelves are essential for any home, but a floating timber bookshelf takes it to the next level. This project is perfect for those who love a minimalist and modern look. It's not only functional, but also adds a touch of elegance to any room. It's minimalistic, saves space, and looks insanely chic on any wall. To create this bookshelf, you'll need some sturdy timber, brackets, and a bit of elbow grease. The result is a sleek and stylish piece that can hold your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. It's a great way to display your personality and style while keeping your space organized and clutter-free. How about a picture frame with a secret? Picture frames are a classic way to display your favorite photos. But this project adds a clever twist. By creating a timber picture frame with hidden storage, you can keep small valuables safe and out of sight. This timber frame doubles as hidden storage for your small valuables. Stylish and sneaky. Imagine having a beautiful frame on your wall that also serves as a secret compartment for your keys, jewelry, or other small items. It's a perfect blend of form and function, and it's sure to impress your guests. Plus, it's a fun project that combines woodworking with a bit of clever engineering. Wine lovers, this one's for you. If you enjoy a good glass of wine, why not showcase your collection with a rustic timber wine rack? This project is not only practical, but also adds a touch of rustic charm to your home. A rustic timber wine rack that's easy to make and perfect for showcasing your favorite bottles. You can customize the size and design to fit your space and style. Whether you prefer a small rack for a few bottles or a larger one for your entire collection, this project is sure to be a hit. Plus, it's a great conversation starter when you have guests over. Cheers to that! Upgrade your bedroom with a timber headboard featuring built-in shelves. A headboard is a focal point in any bedroom, and adding built-in shelves takes it to the next level. This project combines style and functionality, giving you extra storage space right above your bed. Store books, plants, and more right above your bed, chic and practical. Imagine having your favorite books, a small plant, or even a reading lamp within arm's reach. This project is perfect for those who love to read in bed or want to add a bit of greenery to their bedroom. Plus, it's a great way to make the most of your space and keep your bedside table clutter-free. Transform an old timber pallet into a stylish coffee table. Pallets are a fantastic resource for DIY projects because they're sturdy, versatile, and often free. With a bit of creativity, you can turn an old pallet into a beautiful and functional piece of furniture. Sand it down, add some wheels, and voila, a unique piece of furniture. This project is perfect for those who love the rustic industrial look. You can customize the size and finish to match your decor, and the wheels make it easy to move around. Plus, it's a great way to recycle and repurpose materials, making it an eco-friendly choice. Light up your space with a DIY timber pendant light. Lighting is a crucial element in any home. and a timber pendant light adds a warm, natural touch. This project involves combining small timber pieces to create a stunning geometric design. Combine small timber pieces to create a geometric design that's sure to impress. Whether you hang it in your living room, dining room or bedroom, this light fixture is sure to be a conversation starter. It's a perfect blend of art and functionality, and it's a great way to showcase your woodworking skills. Plus, you can customize the design to fit your style and space. Combine seating and gardening with a timber garden bench that has planters on each end. This project is perfect for those who love spending time in their garden. It combines the functionality of a bench with the beauty of planters, creating a relaxing and inviting space. Perfect for relaxing and enjoying your garden. Imagine sitting on your bench surrounded by your favorite plants and flowers. It's a perfect spot to read a book, enjoy a cup of tea, or simply relax and take in the beauty of your garden. Plus, it's a great way to add a bit of greenery to your outdoor space. Get artistic with timber wall art. Wall art is a fantastic way to add personality and style to your home, and timber is a perfect material for creating unique and stunning pieces. This project involves using different shapes and sizes of timber pieces to create an abstract design. Use different shapes and sizes of timber pieces to create a stunning abstract design for your wall. You can experiment with different patterns, colors, and textures to create a piece that's truly one of a kind. Whether you hang it in your living room, bedroom, or hallway, this project is sure to make a statement. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your creativity and woodworking skills. And last but not least, a timber phone stand with a built-in wireless charger. In today's tech-savvy world, having a convenient and stylish place to charge your phone is a must. This project combines the beauty of timber with the functionality of a wireless charger. Practical, modern, and a great addition to any desk or nightstand, and that's a wrap. This project is perfect for those who love modern minimalist design. It's a great way to keep your phone charged and within reach, whether you're working at your desk or relaxing in bed. Plus, it's a fantastic gift idea for friends and family. 10 unusual DIY timber projects to get your creative juices flowing. We hope these projects have inspired you to pick up your tools and start creating. Timber is a versatile and beautiful material that can be used in so many ways, and these projects are just the beginning. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your home decor or create a unique gift for a loved one, there's a timber project for everyone. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Happy crafting. We can't wait to see what you create. Remember, the only limit is your imagination, so get out there and start crafting.